told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama.
Hey lovelies, we are getting ready to go out to dinner and I need a cute style for my braid out. I like to wear my hair down a lot because respectfully, I have a lot of hair and it can get heavy if I wear it up. And it's a fresh retie, so I don't want too much pulling on my scalp, but I also want to show off the fresh retie. So what we're going to do, we are going to do a down hairstyle, but locks out of our face because we're going to be eating, and you know who wants a piece of the food? The locks. They always be trying to get a piece. So what we're going to do, a hairstyle, we're going to have our locks down, but they're going to be out of our face. So let's go.
Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. It's when they come to me, they'll play with it.
See, on me, yeah, that's something that I stay with. The bulkness, they ain't really nothing to play with. Steady chatting when I ran down, she ain't say my hitters gon' banquet. Fuck around and get dangerous. Step like bimbos. To my Timbo. Toes, no one ain't playing games on Xbox, Nintendo. Real no force. I stand on it, that's 10 toe. Pulled up with the big body with the dog tints on the window. He says she's so sweet. They gon' wanna lick the rapper. Let them taste the then I kick them out right after. Got these niggas vexed cause I curve them when I want. Get his wig pushed back if the nigga try to fall. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When they come to me, they'll.
And there you have it. Hair is down, but it's out of my face. And honestly, if I move some hair to the front, because I like to have my hair behind my shoulders, but even if you pull the hair to the front, it's not in your face like it would normally be. But for me, I just like the hair, wear the hair all the way to the back, Caucasians to the back.
Other Caucasians to the back. Immediately. Immediately. Honestly, thank you. Looks better already.
She's cute.
Yeah.